Hey y'all, it's Alana J. I'm back again with another video. How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good. So, in today's video, I don't know if y'all can see by the display of purses, we are going to be talking about a new bag. Yes, I did get a new bag, but I technically bought this bag a little while ago. So, if you want to hear more about that, definitely stay tuned. And yeah, we are just going to jump right in. Do not forget to follow me on my socials for anything that is newly uploaded, such as anything from Tulum, any Tulum vlogs, pictures, reels. Like, I was doing a lot of content for Tulum, so definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok at Alana J with 3 underscores, because it's all there. Also, my Tulum vlog, I will put the little card thing right there for that. Alrighty, let's get into this new bag. Alright guys, so my new bag is a Telfar. A Telfeezy, a Telfeezy. I got a Telfeezy, yeah. So, yes. It's gonna be all about my Telfar. So basically, like I said guys, I didn't just buy this bag, but I will do details after the unboxing. So basically, it came in a regular bag, you know, regular cardboard box, and I didn't have like a certain date of when it was gonna come, because it was kind of just like, your bag will be here soon, keep an eye out, keep a lookout, like that type of thing, right? My phone fell, I need that. So basically, it was just like, your bag is coming, and I was like, okay, when is it coming? Didn't even know when it was coming, but this is what it came in once you got rid of the cardboard. It's like this, in a really nice dust bag. I keep it in here because it is a light color. And honestly, if I didn't use my Louis every day, I would keep that in the Louis dust bag too, that I have over there on my shelf. So this is what the bag looks like. I got the sand color, I believe that's what it's called. Very neutral, very me. And I used this on my entire Tulum trip. So that is exactly why I am doing this little video after all my Tulum vlogs and stuff, because I know y'all are looking at the vlog, y'all see what's going on, and you're like, what is this bag? When did she get this bag? Why didn't she tell us she got this bag? This is why. So basically, if you don't know Telfar, I feel like everybody knows, but if you don't know, now you know. It is a shoulder and crossbody functioning bag, but you can also take the inside part, or not the inside, but these longer straps, you can like fold them in a certain way. There's a certain way you have to fold them, but you can fold them and kind of put them in the inside of the bag, and then boom, you have like a little small tote. I don't know if can you guys see that? Like a little small tote situation going on. So yeah, it does have the symbol that the dust bag had on it. You guys see the symbol. Very nice. But all in all, the quality of the bag, pretty good. I want to say that this bag did cost $150. I don't know if it's worth $150. I'd probably say like $100, but it is a black-owned business, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't really care what the price point was, and I think this is very affordable for a black-owned business, especially one that is so viral with their bags. Like, this little bag takes forever to get, and if you're doing like the drop situation where they tell you on Instagram, hey, we're coming out with so and so bag, make sure you have everything up to par, you know, your credit or debit numbers, all that stuff. If you're waiting to do that, like, about probably like 8 times out of 10 you may not get the bag, and that's how popular it is. So it's definitely a good everyday bag, definitely very functional. When I tell you, this is one of the smallest spacious bags I've ever seen in my life. I was, like I said, I was on my trip in Tulum, and I stuffed everything on the inside of this bag. I don't know if you guys can see, but like look how much space it has, right? You see, this is the inside of the bag. Look how much space it has, right? So you would think maybe some stuff can fit. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I got it right before my trip. Biggest phone. Fits. I'm sorry, these straps are like messy right now. But anyway, it fits. It fits in here. It fits. There's my phone in the pink case. It fits. I also fit all of the cards that I need while I was on the trip. So all the cards I needed, which included my debit card, my ID. I had the room key because we had it on like a little key fob thing. So I had that also in here. And then I had lip gloss. I had lip liner. I also had, what did I also have? I had like, I had gum in here. I had like a bunch of little things that you would put in a regular purse in here. When we went to the beach, I even put my sunglasses in here. I had held my friend's sunglasses for her in here. Like, it was like a never-ending bag. Now, one thing that did disappoint me though is like the button thing on here. It's not the best button. Like, it stays closed when there's nothing in it, but if you were to put something in it, like, it doesn't really stay closed. I also see like a little bit of like plastic left over on it. I don't know if that's something that I was supposed to take off or they were supposed to take off. I don't know. But this type of bag, especially by this brand, is definitely functional. A little bit on, it's not like it, you know, it costs $50. No, it costs $150. But Telfar does allow you to do pay in 4 payments, which is nice because then you can pay in 4 and you can like split that $150 up, making it even more affordable and also making it better for you if you feel like it's gonna make a difference when you're paying for the bag. I know for me personally, I don't like to see big purchases go out of my account like that. This isn't really a big purchase to me, but for instance, if it was to somebody else and they really wanted one, you could get one. So now on to how I got one. Now that we are done showing the bag, again, this is what it looks like in all of its glory. Very nice, very functional, very pretty. I absolutely love the neutrals. It's literally going to go with every outfit. And you know, if I really want to keep my Louis in my car, or you know, I just don't want to bring it out, I can just put everything in here and I would feel safe knowing I have all the necessities that I need. So the way I got it, I'm about to explain really quickly. So the way that I got my Telfar is I went and did the bag security program. About to bring up their Instagram really quickly. So I'm gonna actually put on the screen little pictures of what it is, but let me see if I can find one really. Okay, yeah. So bag security 3 was the excuse me. Bag security 3 was the one that I did for my bag. I had already ordered it and the orders were placed in October. Okay, I said September. October. So I placed my order in October and I received my order a week or 2 before my birthday trip. And basically what the bag security program is, let me see if they still have it up on Telfar so I can read it to you guys. Let me see. Okay, so they do not have it up right now, but let me see if I can read one. It doesn't look like I can. Give me 1 second, because I'm going to see if I can read exactly what the bag security program says. Okay, this is another program. Okay, I don't think they have the post where it says exactly what the bag security program is, but basically what it is you pre-order your bag so that you're guaranteed a bag in a couple of months. So basically you just have to keep your notifications on for Telfar, which is what I do. And then after keeping my notifications on, I saw around October that another bag security program was coming up. They already had 2 before this one, because after the first couple of drops, people were complaining that it was extremely hard to get one of their bags and they really wanted one. So Telfar decided to come up with the idea of the bag security program. And basically what you do is you would go onto their website as soon as they announce that the program is starting. And I think you can get up to 2 bags. I don't know if it's more than that, but you get up to 2 bags. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. You pick out your bag and you go through all the different colors and sizes. They come in small, medium, and large. And the large one is like a really big tote. The medium bag, it kind of resembles what the Neverfull looks like. If you guys know Louis brands or just any medium sized tote bag, that's kind of what it's like. But then again, there's no inside, so you can put a bunch of stuff in it. My friend actually has the medium and it looks a lot smaller in person than it looks on the website, as well as on some of the Instagram models for Telfar when they show the bag. But it definitely is completely functional and definitely can hold a lot of space, or has a lot of space that can hold a lot of things. Sorry, I'm trying to get all my words out. So with the bag security program, like I said, you go on there, you choose your color. I was originally going to choose a pink bag. Y'all know me, y'all know I love my little dash of pink, but I figured I would get the neutral one just to start to see if I like the bag. I know I like it online, but I need to make sure I like it in person and I can wear it and I can use it. So that's why I didn't get it in pink. I definitely would get it next time if they have another bag security program, or if I just get lucky on a pink drop. I just wanted to make sure that, one, I was guaranteeing myself a bag, as well as I knew that I had the patience to wait. So that's the other thing. When they said that my bag wasn't gonna come until, like, it was gonna come between January and March, like, I was like, that's a big gap of time. Like, when I shop online, I'm used to my stuff coming in 3 to 5 business days. Maybe even shorter if I'm doing like Amazon, or, you know, I do express shipping or something like that. 3 to 5 business days is my window of waiting. The fact that I had to wait, like, what, October, November, December, like 3 months for a bag? Oh my goodness. Like, I at one of the points when I was going through like all my little Klarna payments and stuff, I was like, Telfar, isn't this done and paid for? And then I was like, this bag's not even here yet. Like, I was close to canceling my order. That's how, like, I was just so over the bag and like waiting for it. And I'm like, I don't even know when it's coming. And like, hopefully it comes in time for my birthday trip. Hopefully, you know, it comes in time for me to actually use it. You know, I don't know. So yeah, you definitely have to have the patience if you're gonna get this bag. Now, if you do the whole like number drop thing or bag drop thing, if you do one of those, I believe your bag comes immediately. And I think it was like 2 to 4 business days if I'm not wrong. So if you do one of their color drops, say they're dropping pink or they're dropping sand or they're dropping green, I don't know, and you automatically like get that bag, it should come within 2 to 4 business days. But if you do the bag security program and you're guaranteeing yourself a bag, you got the bag, but it's not going to come for another 3 months. Okay. So that is all really about the Telfar bag, my little Telfeezy. I just wanted to do a full little review on it. I gave you guys the price, the color I got, and the size that I got. I will put all the little details right here on the screen just so that you guys can screenshot and screen grab all that, so that if you want to get the bag, you have all the information you need. So yeah, that was everything from me for the Telfar. I absolutely love my bag, and I'm glad that I didn't cancel my order, because in Tulum, like, I only had this other little black bag, and it was this one right here. I had this little bag, and I had this bag with me. The amount of stuff that I put in that Telfar, it would not have fit in either one of these bags. So I am very, very happy that I kept the order, and the fact that I also brought it along with me last minute. I was like, I'm gonna use this bag, and I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a ton of information. If you didn't, definitely comment down below any other questions that you have about Telfar, and I will be sure to get back to you and answer them. Remember to definitely follow me on my socials, and you can see a picture with the bag. Actually, I'll put a picture right here with my little neutral jungle dress, so that you guys can see how I styled the bag. And yeah, definitely follow me on my socials. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.